Thank you for returning to tutorial number 2 concerning the FHHS Seating Charts and Substitute Plans 2021 Shared Google Drive. So in the first part, we discussed what this shared drive is and what you're going to put in it. And with this video, I really want to show you how to do that. So again, and to access your shared Google Drive, you'll go into your work Google Drive, click on Shared Drives, and then you will search for the FHHS Seating Charts and Subplans 2021. Again, it's the blue H that has yellow and white. As a reminder, teachers are to include two things in their personal folder. So for me as a teacher, I would need to include my emergency lesson plans as well as seating charts. So in terms of your lesson plans, please plan to include a minimum of 2 days worth of emergency lessons that could be used at any point throughout first semester. Please do make sure that whatever those plans include, it has information about where the resources can be found for that. I know many of you as seasoned teachers, you've created sub-plans dozens, if not hundreds of times, so you might have your own template that you use. However, if you don't, you can click into this templates folder and it will have for you just a very simple substitute plan template that you can choose to use or choose to lose if there's some other way that you like to organize your information. We're not concerned with the way in which the emergency lesson plans are organized. We just want to make sure that they exist and they're easy to access and user-friendly. The other thing we're going to add are your seating charts. So we've given you several options. There's this seating chart with the teacher desk in the front of the classroom. There's this other seating chart with the teacher desk in the back. Now with these two templates, something to note, and with any template, you'll need to make a copy. But what's nice about these is you can type directly into the boxes. But those boxes do not move. With this seating chart, you actually have the capability, once you make a copy, to move the boxes around if you have a room that's not as uniform as some of the others. So if you decide that you would like to use any one of these templates, what we're asking you to do is to make a copy. Because as you know, if you don't make a copy, then you could make changes to somebody else's document. I have written out directions step by step to how to do that, and you can find those in this folder, Directions and Tutorials for Teachers, that is right there in your drive. But I'll walk you through it quickly. You're going to go File, Make a Copy, and would like you to change the name and do a specific format. Last name, your hour. So this were my class, Avis, hour 3, and this is my seating chart for that class. Then I'm going to need to move this out of the templates folder and put it into my individual teacher folder within the drive. So I'm going to click back several times until I see shared drives. And then I'm going to scroll down to where I see our shared drive, the FHHS seating charts, I'm going to click in that. I'm going to find my name, and then I'll select that. And then my copy of my seating chart will be right in there. And then all I have to do is begin then adding the names of my students on the chart. So I'll ask that you do that for every class